Hey, hi everyone. Let's have a quick understanding on how to shut down my Windows 11 laptop or computer. We know that Windows uh, 10 and Windows 11 both doesn't comes with a shutdown option. If I click on start, if I go here and try to see, it shows the that there are currently no power options available. Let's see how can I shut down my laptop still. It's very simple and straightforward. You have to go to command prompt, go to command prompt and then type shutdown slash s. That's it. It's pretty simple. Go to cmd and type shutdown slash s. Once you give this command, your system will shut down within a minute of time. Make sure you close all the tabs if you have opened so. So you can see you're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in less than a minute. That's simple. Oh, let me stop.